Today we're making an air fryer egg and pepperoni sandwich with melty cheese, tomatoes, and a perfect runny yolk. Start by tossing a pan into your air fryer and cranking it up to full heat while we prep. Grab 2 slices of bread, your sharpest knife, and cut a hole in one of the slices for the egg. Now spread a thin layer of mayo on one side of the full slice and both sides of our holy slice. Then slice up some tomato, crack an egg into a bowl, and season it with a pinch of salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now place the bread on the hot pan, mayo side down. Drop the egg into the hole, and on the other side, layer on our provolone, pepperoni, and tomato. Into the air fryer at 360 degrees for 5 minutes. After that, the egg white should be mostly set, so top it with mozzarella and back in at 400 for 90 seconds to melt that cheese. Take out the pan, take out our bottom half, add some fresh basil, and then our egg topper. Look at that. But the real test, let's check that yolk. Perfectly runny. Melty cheese, runny yolk, this thing is a definite air fryer win. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen.